Yeah, check out the latest 4K Ultra HD dashcam from BlackVue. Yep, BlackVue DR900S-2CH channel is the star of the day. Dual channel with 4K front camera and 1080p rear camera. Loaded with latest H.265 or HEVC video codec that have better image quality but use lesser storage. In addition, it supports wireless connection through smartphone and over-the-cloud storage as well. Alright, let's get started and unbox it. As you can see, all the items are well protected. Here are the front and rear camera. Lens and body are covered for protection, nicely packed in a small packaging. Same apply to all the included accessory, protected with plastic cover too. The front camera is loaded with ultra-wide 162-degree lens. Yes, that's super wide compared to other dashcam. Come with 8 megapixel sensor that produce spectacular 4K Ultra HD footage. Loaded dual band 802.11 AC, Wi-Fi and built-in GPS as well. The rear camera has wide 139-degree lens. Loaded with 2.1 megapixel Sony STARVIS CMOS Sensor for clear Full HD footage. The quick start guide comes in 2 languages, English and Chinese. Be sure to go through all of them and learn all the features and functions. Start with installation, then do setting and configuration through your smartphone and BlackVue Cloud too. The long power cord that power up both front and rear units. And here is the rear camera connection cable. Rest assured that it is long enough even for MPV cars too. Finally, other accessories like pry tool, 8 cable clips, additional spare mount sticker pads for both front and rear camera, microSD card and microSD card reader are provided for you and me. Alright, let's have a quick hands-on BlackVue DR900S-2CH channel. As you can see, the GPS is locked and recording is ongoing right now. Both front and rear camera have operations LED light. You can turn them off if you want. And here is the BlackVue mobile application. That's the faster way to view live recording. Transfer recorded video to your smartphone and use it to check out video on the cloud as well. That's it for now. A detailed review is coming up soon. Do give me a thumb up as support and I will see you again. Peace.